inside and I was already eating my salad, so it's half eaten. But I discovered a pepper, so I'll put it in there. But here is a lovely little summer salad from my potted garden. Enjoy! Now I'm not sure what kind of pepper this is. It might be really hot, but I'll put it in my salad and we'll just find out. Okay, moment of truth. Yeah, it's one of my really spicy peppers. It's good though, but super spicy. I'm gonna have to find out which one this was. All I can make out is that it says way hot. And I don't think I'm going to put that in my salad. I'm going to put that in this plastic baggie, put it in the fridge, and maybe use it in cooking. Wow, that was spicy. I think I'll just eat my cherry tomatoes and cucumbers in peace without the way hot pepper. Do you feel it? There's a tinge of fall in the air. Standing by an old black walnut tree. Make sure I didn't get green stuff on my hands. So I'm on my way to get the mail this morning. I'm on my way to the post office. And then I saw the cutest thing. And I wish I could have filmed it, but it happened all too fast and I was driving. But Mr. Elledge's little orchard, I saw a squirrel, little itty bitty squirrel, pluck up an apple like twice the size of him, and he took a big bite and he went racing across the street with this giant apple in his mouth. Oh my gosh, it was so cute, but there's no way I could have got the footage of it. And then I'm about to the post office and there goes a fleet of buses. It's like, good grief, fall is right around the corner. And you know what? That is my favorite season. We have the vegetable garden ready to be harvested. Vegetable garden. My little itty bitty a couple pots full of tomatoes and some cucumbers, but got to have that lovely salad yesterday. It's a little humid, but you can feel that there's just a tinge of fall in the air. The colors are starting to change a little bit. I am just so excited because my favorite season is just around the corner. So I'm headed on a quick 20-minute little road trip. Nancy and Karen chose to stay home. They didn't want to be out in the heat. Actually, Nancy's still asleep, but I don't imagine her wanting to come along on this one. But a quick 20-minute road trip, and I think you'll like it. So I'll see you when I get there. Guys, I'm here at Powell Gardens. This is cool. Look at that, isn't that cute? Look at its hair. It's got ferns or something for hair. This is so fun. I'm so glad I came. Look at the size of those zinies. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty. so loving it here. It is a little on the hot side. So pretty here. Why yes, I am in a tree. He is standing watch over this lake. So pretty here. It would have been Mom's 82nd birthday today. I'm out enjoying this late, hot summer's day, and Karen and Nancy stayed in. And they're at home in the air condition. But look at this, guys. Look how pretty this is. It is absolutely beautiful here at Powell Gardens. Thinking Nancy and Karen might have had the right idea. Whew. I am turning into a major sweat ball. I'm so hot. I'm on some trail. It's paved. I'm not sure where it goes. Come up here and see what everybody's doing. It led me to the church, the little chapel here. I think I might get to go inside. Whew. But first you had to go through a little woodland path, which I appreciated the shade. Let's go see. Okay, I have to walk back the way I came, and so that's it. I know it's mainly been the Kelly show today in today's vlog. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Just kidding. It's Sunday now, and we're gonna go out and do a little drive and maybe get some ice cream. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time. Bye!